In this tutorial, we're going to take a look at two different resources available in efforts to find the PhD dissertation that you were looking for. First one will be from the library homepage, which is library.niagara.edu. And you go to the Research tab and go to Databases A to Z. Now, even though it is a ProQuest database, if you click on the D, you will find that there's dissertations and theses global via ProQuest, and that's how you're going to get to just the very small niche database that they host, even though ProQuest interface all looks the same. So my search is African Refugees, Economics, and Mixed Methods, because what I was really hoping for in my basic search was to find somewhere in the abstract where it says mixed methods, which is really helpful. So if you do a search, you'll find that there are 550 results. However, you want to keep it within the past 10 years so you can update your results. And now there are only 312 results based on my search criteria. And the first one even says in the description, mixed methods is highlighted. And so that is exactly what I'm hoping for. Not all of them do. There's methods that is highlighted because I didn't put in quotes. This one's mixed methods, but it's not exactly what we're looking for. I mean, there's still some question in my mind about how you want to narrow this, but I have three options for you, so it's coming. So what you want to do is go to the full text PDF, but I have already downloaded it. And so when this comes up, I just want to show you that you can search within the 212 pages that are available. So if you search what would I be looking for? Mixed methods. Okay, that's not in there. Let's do methods. You will notice that methods comes up on page 7, on page 15. Okay, so then once you highlight your search term, you can see if this is going to be useful to you. So that will be useful when narrowing your searches down. You could also do Control F and the search box will come up. See, that's why it highlighted in blue. But it was already there for us. So I just wanted to show you that. So let me just click out of this for the moment. Okay, so then we looked through this and we didn't really find a lot. So then we went to worldcat.org. And all I did was typed in African, I think it was, let's see, let me look at my notes. Yeah, African refugees. Just as a basic search. Now, WorldCat searches all of the library's catalogs in one place, which is really nice. So that's why there's over 27,000 results in all formats. So if you narrow it to thesis or dissertation, there's 569 results to go through, which is more manageable. And the one I'm looking for here, acculturation, let me do Control F because I already found it. It did take some time to go through this. There we go. So I'm giving you just a quick video on how to do that. But you notice I did Control F again, just so that when I was looking for the specific term, it came up. It searched it for me easily. And if you'll notice, this was from 2011, so that works. And I liked how it said, when I was looking through the results, the role of social support. And that sounded more like what you were looking for, but again, I could be wrong. You can always let me know. But what I liked about this was it sounded promising. Look at the subject terms if you find like a promising result, search result, because these are better search terms. I did a very broad search, which you saw, African refugees, but Africans, cultural assimilation in America, are you looking for that? Are you looking for teenage immigrants, United States social conditions, or refugees in Africa? That's why this one came up, on the first page of our search, because I did type it in enough to get this in the first results. These are just tags, like hashtags on social media, that the database uses based on user keywords. They're given so that they'll come up. So what I did was I copied this title because this is only to see what's available in the world. It does tell you based on your location. So I'm on campus right now. The closest libraries around. So this one is the closest, and it's 206 miles away. Yes, you can order a dissertation through Iliad, also known as Interlibrary Loan, which we signed up for when I saw you. However, we could have it in ProQuest. It doesn't search our databases. So because I copied the title already, I put it in here in the search box in ProQuest Dissertations, do a search, and there it is right here. We have the PDF available, which is great. That's exactly what I was looking for. 2011 from University of North Carolina. Awesome, awesome, awesome. So then if you click on it, again, we're going to have to go through this, and it's going to take some time to download because I'm using this software system. Let me cancel that. I got to download the PDF, and this could take just a few minutes, so I'm going to fill the space with white noise. I'm just going to show you, once we do this, where I found the information. This one didn't come up easily with mixed methods. I did try that, but I didn't show you that search in WorldCat, but I did try it. So Control F, let me bring it down. It's 227 pages. I am searching for methods. So mixed methods didn't come up. Methods did. Oh, apparently it did not. What did I do to search? All I know is it is on page 159. So let's see if that will highlight. On 172, 159. And it should start with let's see, participant views. Right. Oh, you know what I searched for? Qualitative. Is that what it was? No. Let's try 182. Let's try quantitative. Okay, this is what I did. Sorry, I didn't write that down. Okay, so then it searched for, I did a search when mixed methods didn't work of qualitative to see if they used that term, and quantitative, just to see what's going on. Because I wasn't going to read all of these, right? There's a lot of pages here. So in this paragraph, it says, additionally, there could be subjective elements from the participants that are not considered in a quantitative study. I did look through the introduction a little bit. No, I went to the methods section, and I saw how they took some of the participant responses, converted the responses into numbers, and then they could study the numbers and the responses. So that to me was qualitative and quantitative. So then I looked at this just solidified what I was looking for, that it would be mixed methods. They had to look at different things, because what you're coming across when you're talking about refugees, it's usually qualitative because they're getting their perspective on things. So there's interviews, obviously, and that was the tricky part. So I understand why you're having the issue with finding a good source, but these are some of the things I went about it. So what I'm going to do at this point is I'm going to send you 3 different emails with the titles of the dissertations. So what I would like for you to do is copy and paste the title into ProQuest Dissertations, and you will find the PDF. I cannot send you them directly because they're too big and they can't be sent. So you just have to go into the database on your own and then download the dissertation from there to your computer so you have access to it. If you have additional questions, please do not hesitate to ask. Thank you.